Hello and good day. Welcome to our YouTube channel Empowerment. Today's video will be all about angel number 5252, meaning and symbolism. 10 topics on today's video will be as follows. What's the meaning of angel number 5252? What's the symbolism of 5252? What is the spiritual significance? What does the 5252 mean for love? What does 5252 mean for twin flames? What does 5252 for manifestation? How does angel number 5252 affect finances? What does 5252 mean for former relationships? How does 5252 guide your work life? What are the strengths of angel number 5252? What are the weaknesses of angel number 5252? What's the meaning of angel number 5252? Angel number 5252 signifies a pivotal phase of transformation and balance. It brings a message of upcoming life changes that are necessary for personal growth and spiritual alignment. The number 5 brings freedom and life lessons through experience, while 2 offers harmony, relationships, and faith. Together, 5252 indicates a cycle where personal decisions deeply influence your path, and spiritual guidance is helping you maintain stability amid change. Your angels are encouraging trust in the process, reminding you that everything happening now is preparing you for a better, more aligned future. Embrace change, but do so with inner balance and clarity. What's the symbolism of angel number 5252? Angel number 5252 symbolizes dynamic transformation balanced by faith and harmony. The duality of 5 and 2 repeated emphasizes constant motion paired with spiritual trust. Number 5 represents adventure, adaptability, and progress, while 2 symbolizes diplomacy, patience, and partnership. Symbolically, this number encourages you to be courageous in change while nurturing relationships and inner peace. It serves as a reminder to maintain emotional balance while navigating uncertainty. 5252 also reflects mirrored growth, suggesting that both personal and external changes are unfolding in alignment. Your angels use this number to assure you that change, though challenging, will lead to positive renewal. What is the angel number 5252 spiritual significance? Spiritually, angel number 5252 speaks of evolution through trust and divine timing. This number indicates that you are undergoing important. The energies of 5 and 2 together signify a balance between action and surrender. You're being called to live authentically and fearlessly while remaining connected to your higher self and divine purpose. The spiritual message here is one of guided transformation. Your angels are encouraging faith during uncertain times. Meditation, self-reflection, and spiritual connection will serve you well as you move into this next chapter of personal and soul-level development. What does the angel number 5252 mean for love? In love, angel number 5252 signals emotional growth, necessary changes, and deepened connections. If you're in a relationship, it may point to a period where adjustments are needed to restore balance and communication. If single, 5252 suggests that inner healing will attract a more aligned partner. The combination of 5 and 2 promotes both independence and partnership, encouraging you to be authentic without sacrificing emotional harmony. Your angels may be guiding you to release outdated romantic patterns and approach love with renewed openness. Ultimately, this number supports love that is both free-spirited and rooted in mutual respect and cooperation. What does angel number 5252 mean for twin flames? For twin flames, 5252 reflects a period of transition that requires mutual growth and spiritual alignment. The number encourages each twin to undergo personal transformation while keeping faith in the divine bond. The presence of 5 suggests emotional or situational shifts, while 2 reminds both partners of the importance of balance, harmony, and trust. It often appears during times of separation or reconnection, urging both twins to reflect on what needs healing. 5252 is a message that the journey may be unpredictable but is being divinely guided. Progress is being made, even if it's not immediately visible, toward eventual reunion and understanding. What does angel number 5252 for manifestation? Angel number 5252 is a potent sign for manifestation through balanced thought and aligned action. It suggests that change is necessary for your desires to materialize and reminds you that what you think and feel has power. The number 5 brings energy and movement, pushing you to take bold steps toward your goals, while the 2 energy encourages collaboration and inner harmony. Your angels are helping align opportunities with your intentions. Stay grounded, visualize clearly, and act with purpose. Your manifestations are coming together through both change and divine timing. How does angel number 5252 affect finances? Angel number 5252 suggests changes in your financial life that lead to improved balance and long-term stability. The number 5 indicates shifting conditions, perhaps a new job, financial opportunity, or the need to adapt spending habits, while 2 calls for thoughtful decisions, planning, and cooperation. Your angels are encouraging you to trust the process and make practical, balanced financial choices. This may be a time to reassess priorities, build new income streams, or collaborate with others. The message is to stay flexible but grounded. By aligning your financial habits with your values and goals, abundance will begin to flow more freely. What does angel number 5252 mean for former relationships? Angel number 5252 highlights the importance of releasing the past with grace and learning from previous relationship. It invites you to find emotional closure, forgive where needed, and gain wisdom from your experiences. The number 5 represents change and liberation, while 2 offers peace, understanding, and emotional healing. Your angels are guiding you to look at former relationships not with regret but with gratitude for what they taught you. This energy supports moving on with maturity and balance, allowing you to enter future relationships more self-aware and emotionally whole. The past is a stepping stone, not a place to dwell. How does angel number 5252 guide your work life? In your professional life, angel number 5252 encourages you to embrace flexibility and consider new opportunities while maintaining harmony in your environment. The number suggests that a change in career direction or role may be on the horizon, one that aligns more closely with your talents and values. 5 brings motivation for freedom and exploration, while 2 urges cooperation and thoughtful communication. Whether you're leading a team or seeking a job change, this number supports decisions that foster both personal growth and workplace balance. Your angels are guiding you to trust your instincts and take steps that create long-term fulfillment at work. What are the strengths of angel number 5252? They thrive in dynamic environments, using intuition and collaboration to guide them. This number also reflects resilience and the ability to transform challenges into growth. Spiritually aware and naturally diplomatic, 5252 individuals can lead with compassion and purpose. Their strength lies in knowing when to act and when to trust the flow of divine timing. What are the weaknesses of angel number 5252? The weaknesses of angel number 5252 can include indecisiveness, emotional overwhelm, and difficulty with consistency. The frequent push for change from number 5 can lead to restlessness or impulsive choices, while the number may second cause avoidance of confrontation or overdependence on others' opinions. People influenced by 5252 may struggle with balancing their desire for freedom and their need for emotional security. They may also second-guess themselves when facing major life decisions. To overcome these weaknesses, it's important to develop clear intentions, set boundaries, and stay grounded. Your angels encourage finding structure within change to avoid instability and confusion.